So Ice Universe has shared the first full image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. And guess what? Samsung has finally answered your prayers. Yes, you heard it right. The cover screen is getting an upgrade. In a side-by-side comparison with the Galaxy Z Fold 5, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 shows off a cover screen that's noticeably broader, making those cramped typing days a thing of the past. Typing, gaming, and app experiences are about to get a whole lot smoother and visually satisfying. Now let's talk about the rear camera design that's stirring the pot. Earlier today we got a peek at the back of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, and there's this new ridged design around the camera rings. Some people think it looks a bit off for a phone that's likely to set you back more than $1,500. But hey, beauty is in the eye of the beholder, right? Under the hood, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is rumored to pack the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, promising blazing fast performance. And if you're worried about those pesky screen creases, Samsung might have just smoothed things out for you. Plus, it's expected to come with a slightly bigger battery, IPX8 water resistance, and 25-watt fast charging. For the camera buffs, it seems like the Z Fold 6 will stick with the same cameras as the Z Fold 5, so no major upgrades there. But you can look forward to a titanium frame and Gorilla Glass armor protection? Premium stuff, folks. Running the show will be Android 14. And Samsung is promising up to 7 years of Android OS and security updates. That's a lot of future-proofing right there. Excited yet? You should be. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is set to be unveiled on July 10th, 2024 at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event in the beautiful city of Paris. So, buckle up and get ready for the next big thing in foldable tech. Stay tuned for more leaks and previews. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the action. See you in the next video.